In this video, I will show how to fix the Excel autofill not working. So click on File, Options. Here click on Advanced. So make sure this Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop is selected. If it's not selected, so you will not get that option and it will not work. Like even you press the control, you will not get that option. So to enable it, Options, Advanced, and check this box. Click on OK. Now press Control, so you will get this drag and drop option. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.